In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an expected delivery date widget on your WooCommerce website. This feature can significantly enhance the shopping experience by providing your customers with the estimated delivery date of their purchases, thus promoting transparency and reducing cart abandonment rates. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you need to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub where you manage your site's content and settings. You can access it by adding up-admin to the end of your website URL and logging in with your credentials. Once you're inside the dashboard, you should see a menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Look for the section labeled Plugins and click on it. Plugins are essential tools for enhancing the functionality of your WordPress site, and they make it easy to add new features without any coding. Now that you're in the Plugins area, you'll see a button at the top labeled Add New. Click on it, and this will take you to the plugin marketplace. Here you can find thousands of plugins that can help you customize and optimize your website. In the search bar on this page, type in Date Delivery. This will filter the results to show plugins related to delivery date functionalities. Among the search results, you should spot a plugin called Order Delivery Date for WooCommerce. This particular plugin is designed to enhance your WooCommerce setup by adding a feature that allows customers to see or choose an expected delivery date for their orders. It's a popular option due to its reliability and ease of use. Once you find it, click on the plugin's name or the corresponding Install Now button next to it. This process might take a couple of seconds as WordPress downloads and installs the plugin files on your site. After the plugin is installed, you'll need to activate it. Simply click on the Activate button that appears after installation. Activation allows the plugin to start working and integrating with your WooCommerce store automatically. With the plugin active, you can start configuring it according to your needs. Usually, the plugin settings can be accessed under the WooCommerce settings area, but it might also have its own section in the dashboard. Here you can customize the delivery options, display settings, and more, tailoring them to fit your specific business logistics and customer expectations. And there you have it. You've successfully added an expected delivery date widget to your WooCommerce store. This straightforward addition will communicate vital information to your customers, improving their overall shopping experience and potentially increasing your sales. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on optimizing your online store.